Come on, Piper. Piper. Oh, what? Oh, who's that? Who's that? That's not Piper. Russell, come here. Russell. That's not Piper. Russell, come here. Oh, who else is coming? What? Oh, another puppy dog. Everyone's coming through the door. Okay, come on, Piper. Come on, Piper.
Again.
Oh, what?
Another dog?
It's a big puppy dog. Okay, come on, Piper. Come on. What? It's like a clown car.
Okay, Piper, come on.
Okay, Piper.
Piper, come on, Piper, come on. Hey!
It'd be great if she didn't come through.
And that's how you get the dog through the dog door. Okay, good girl.